Hello guys, I'm Anish with another tutorial, and this is slightly different. It's on Adobe After Effects and I suggest learning it, and because I watched Slam Cow's tutorial and it seems pretty important now to learn it. It makes your videos look professional, and you can do camera tracking and stuff like that in Adobe After Effects and add cool effects like in Slam Cows. New animation, earth bending, all the particles and the dust effects I made in Adobe After Effects. And I suggest searching what it is if you don't know what it is. So as you can see, I learned this depth of field sort of look, and it's pretty simple. I got it from Slam Cow's tutorial on how to use RPF format, and you can actually use it in Cinema 4D also. And he uses 3ds Max if you didn't know. And okay, so let's get to the tutorial. Oh, by the way, blur is coming here and it's kind of focusing in this area over here. Okay, so tutorial time. So let's watch my how to import a Minecraft world. Just watch that tutorial and you should know how to do this. And if you have so much lag and you can't move around, just go under the options and configure all and off the wireframe. Now you should be able to move around it while selecting the set. You can scale it up and down, but whatever. So I'm gonna on that back. Okay, so let's find a good place. I'm just gonna take another picture from the same place because that's the best place to demonstrate the depth of field. And I'll go into more detail later of how it works. Okay, where's my house? Where's my house? Oh, there's my house. Okay, so I want to show that you can blur out these trees over here. Okay, now let's get the roof lighting, the most basic physical sky. Then go to this and go to output. 180, whatever, 720. Gonna make this fast. Name it test or something. You can do this for animations also. And say if you're making animation, just open this out like this and then make a new folder and then save it in this folder if it's animation, and make sure, since it's a picture, I'm just gonna save it like that, not in a folder. But if it's an animation, it's gonna like render out so many pictures and you don't want your desktop or whatever place you're saving it on just to mess it up all just to mess up everything. So make sure everything in a new folder. And now let's make it a RPF, and this contains 3D data, and it's specially made for things like After Effects, Combustion, Final Cut 7, Motion, Shake, stuff like that. So it's compatible with that, and just save it to whatever place. And okay, so now effects, global illumination, make fast render, weak. Okay, so now go into, to make it even faster, go into preferences under edit, render, and on this and change it to like 10 or something. This increases the amount of squares that renders out your stuff. I'll show you what I mean later. Okay, like that. Okay, so now let's render. Okay, as you can see, there are more squares now because we changed that thing under preferences. So it loads a bit faster. My computer is not very good, so it loads kind of slow, as you can see. So I'm gonna pause it. Finish rendering, and I'm in now Adobe After Effects CS6. I like that. I just got it a week ago, so I'm kind of newbie at it, so I don't know what I'm doing really. But I figured out a way to do, not I didn't figure it out, someone showed me on a tutorial. I put his channel link in the description. He helped me out get Adobe After Effects and stuff like that. I'm not going to tell you how, but I got it. And yeah, full version. So Let's load in the picture we just made. It should be like this. Oh, and if it's animation, you should have a new folder like this, and all your things should be inside it, all the RPFs that it made, and you should just drag it into there, and it should drag the folder which has all the RPFs in there. Then it should like automatically do its things. Okay, so we have our picture, and just drag it onto the composition tag, and yeah, so let's start adding effects to it. Okay, so 3D channel, and this is basically the thing, so drag it onto that, and you should now see it's already mapped out because it's RPF format. Normally we do it manually, which takes forever, trust me, and then you would have to make these colors to indicate how far away it is, and depth of field is kind of difficult, I guess, like that. But it does it for you, so that's incredible and pretty cool. So Command D to duplicate this thing over here. So select this and duplicate it, and name this blur something, because this is the thing that will blur it, and name this the picture, and then now what do we have to do now? Okay, we delete this on the picture and leave it here, leave it on the blur, and then get the lens, camera lens blur, drag it onto the picture, go to layer and click on the blur, and then we can increase and decrease the focal distance. So now we just have to find where it is. My computer is not very good, so it will have this thing where, but as you can see, as I go past it, it starts to blur out the distance thingies, and you can invert it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, save. Now we need to render it. It's a bit different in, or you can even change the radius of the blur. Okay, so if you want to render it, it's kind of different. If you have animation, you want to add to render queue, and then you should have this here, and you want to select this and save it wherever you want, and then press render over here, and then it should render your animation. And if you want a picture, save frame as and file. Delete that. And okay, so now it's a PSD format, which is Photoshop. I don't know how to change it, so just I think, I'm not sure if this works, but let's try it like that. Use PSD, use both. No. Okay, that doesn't work, but just save it as whatever, test, save, and it should save it wherever you saved it. Oh, forgot, you need to render it. Done rendering when it makes a sound. Animations, PSD over here. Whoa. Oh, that's my previous one. Okay, so PSD, just change it to JPEG. And okay, so now we have our picture. Just like that. So that's pretty cool. So you can do this. Let me show you another cool one I'd made. But this is when I was kind of newbie. I kind of accidentally made it a dot movie when it's supposed to be a picture. So it's not a movie actually, it's just a picture. So this is my set, not my set, but someone else's set, and it's in our animation. And our animation is almost done, we just need a singer. So as you can see, the mountain is blurred over here, this mountain is blurring a bit. The depth of field is not very good, you can improve it, trust me. And you see it's focusing this area here. So thanks for watching. There's nothing here really. hit play, nothing. And I got partnership. You can see sometimes I get you see my ads. It's not my ads, but it's you see ads on my things now. Sorry for that, but I have to have some sort of revenue now. I got 300 subscribers, quite a bit. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and bye.